welcome to today's video. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a gym vlog or like my gym routine, like something like that, whatever. I'm going to take you guys through like my gym routine, and today we're doing legs. As you can tell, like I'm already dressed, I'm already together. I'm going to show you my outfit. My outfit's very cute. I never get cute for the gym. I only got cute for you guys, so normally I look nuts in that gym. I'm already dressed, so now I'm just gonna do like my makeup. For makeup, I don't do a lot, to be honest. I honestly never do makeup, but I kind of just wanted to, just because like I have like this huge pimple here and I have like acne all over my face from like my period, so I kind of just want to cover it up because when you look good, you feel good. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do my makeup real quick, and then I'm gonna take you guys to the gym with me. So it should be fun. While I'm doing my makeup, I'm just gonna talk to you guys just a little bit about like my whole fitness journey. I really didn't start getting consistent in the gym until like after I got out of college. And to be honest, I should have taken advantage of like my college gym because it was free and they had like so many different things to do there, but I just didn't. I had other things I was worried about, okay? I was worried about other things. So after college, that's when I was probably like my heaviest I've ever been. I was like 185. I was busting out every seam. Like that's the first time I ever wore a dress and it ripped. It was just traumatizing for me because like my clothes just weren't fitting the same, and it was just like I never experienced anything like that. So after college, right, I decided to like get in the gym. Like I was consistent. I was going to the gym like 3 to 5 times a week. I was like, you know what, this is about to be my journey. You know, I'm gonna transform my body. And I started like to get it together. Like my body was looking good. Like if I'm gonna put up like before and after pictures, like my body was looking good. I said, yeah, this is it for me. But then like, you know, holidays came around that year and you just want to eat, okay? It's Thanksgiving, it's Christmas, like you just want to eat. After that time, I was like, you know what, and I just kind of fell off. I just wasn't as consistent, and I was like, whatever, and I just let it go. And I honestly didn't start picking it back up until maybe like August of this year, and it's October. I would go to the gym like before I had a trip or something planned, but mind you, I was never like consistent like I used to be like fresh out of college. I was never like in the gym like 3 to 4 times. I would literally just go to the gym like 2 weeks before a trip or like a vacation or whatever, and then try to get my body right and like really fast together. And it was just like, it was just unhealthy the way I was doing it. Fast forward to now, I'm really trying my best to stay as consistent as I possibly can. I've been consistent, you know, in the gym 3 to 5 times a week, eating, you know, somewhat healthy, okay? Don't get on me, okay? I enjoy, you know, a Chick-fil-A sandwich. I enjoy a burger. I enjoy those things. I try my best to like eat right when I can, but I don't put too much pressure on myself if I don't eat right. You know what I'm saying? Because that's when it kind of gets out of hand, and that's when you start, it gets a little dark, okay? At the end of the day, you're not always gonna wanna eat right because your body just doesn't crave that. Like, well, let me just speak for myself. Let me preface this whole thing with like, I'm just speaking for myself, because I really genuinely, like, for me personally, I don't crave like greens. I don't crave like, you know, spinach. I never do that. You will never see me craving a green item ever. I listen to my body 100%. You know, I indulge myself in my cravings. I don't ever like stop myself from eating something I don't really want to eat. I'll just eat it in moderation. That's what I've learned with me particularly, that really works well for like my body and my body type. To be honest, I feel like I've always had like kind of an athletic build, I would say, but I really have never been like the super skinny girl, or like, you know, the flat tummy tea. Like I've never been that flat tummy type of girl, but like I did sports in high school and stuff like that, so like I was always someone who was kind of, you know, fit looking, to be honest. Just a quick side note for the makeup, this is very light, y'all. I'm just doing like light concealer. I'm not using foundation or anything. Super light, just kind of like brightening up my under eyes and stuff like that. I honestly tried not to use too much, but just a teeny bit heavy-handed. Now back to fitness. So to be honest, progress is really not linear. I don't want anybody to think like they're just gonna start their fitness journey and you're not gonna have no ups and downs. You're not gonna have bad days. You're not gonna have days where it's like, damn, I shouldn't have ate that, or whatever. I try my best to really make it fun for myself. You know, if you make it fun, then it's not, you know, it doesn't feel as bad. If you do harp on those negative days, it's just not going to be like a fun journey for you, or like it's not going to feel like a transformation. It's just going to feel like, you know, you're constantly beating yourself up about it, and you don't want to do that. That's honestly my 2 cents about everything. You know, I could really go in depth and talk to you guys forever about it, because my journey has definitely not been, you know, smooth sailing. Oh, and I also forgot to introduce myself to anybody who's new. If you guys are new watching me, hi, my name is Jordyn. If you guys aren't new, hey y'all. So Now that the introductions are out the way, let's just go to the gym. Okay, y'all, so I'm walking to the gym now. The gym that I go to is actually in my community, so I just walk to the gym. It's like right down the street. So I'm going to the gym now. It's a little home gym. If you guys have a home gym and you guys don't know what to do at your home gym, I'll be showing you guys like what I do and maybe it'll help you. I'll meet y'all there. Oh my God, I got an empty gym. I got an empty gym. So yeah, we're really about to wall out. We're really about to go dumb. Like I said, today is leg day. So normally, to be honest, like every time I do like legs, arm, upper body, whatever, I always have a workout with like cardio and stretching and stuff like that. Let's just jump right into the workout. Okay, let's just jump right in. Oh, I didn't show you guys my outfit. Wait, can y'all see my outfit? Super cute. Can y'all see that? Dumb.
Ain't I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture bro. They look bro, hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Got it fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that trip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last, I'm no whacking up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after hit, call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I bought everybody. Smoke guns and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm broke, see it up by 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my partner, we stacking up guala and guala. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shop, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BML. They gon' jump, got phones in my right or left. And you drink up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pockets, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling, screaming in the prison. Time is 50, flying, rich and mellow. But they got me to his temple. Because I spit the flavor to the temple. I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spinning right.
You cannot be for real. Oh my God, you for real? No, you for fake. No, you for real.
My fat ass just ripped my leggings. Good thing there's somebody else in this. My fat ass just ripped my leggings. That's how you know my ass is so back that it rips the leggings. I'm trying to tell y'all, get into this workout. It's gonna rip your leggings. Okay, y'all, that's the end of today's workout. I normally would do like something else or do a little bit more. The only thing I had left to do was like my split squats, but I literally ripped my leggings. So I'm not even gonna, I'm not even gonna get into that. I don't want to rip even more and then I walk home and I got my ass crack out. Okay, I'm not doing that. I'm so sweaty and nasty doing this outro, but that's the end of today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to follow me on all of my socials. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.